that smoke is just the paint burning off of the exhaust. I'm really not 100% that this will work, but it is what I was thinking. Should work? We'll see. Let's get the cable locked in and see if this actually does what it's supposed to do. I don't know. So anyways, this bus was originally fuel injected, and this engine is not original to the bus. It came with a 2-liter Porsche motor, so a 2000 cc or 2-liter, you know, whatever you prefer to say, because this didn't have an engine in it when it was picked up out of the backyard of the prior owner. All right, let's see if that actually works. You stay here and tell me. I don't know what it did, but I can tell you it didn't spring back. So maybe this cable is just no good. Well, my cable idea didn't work out too well. It's still sticking, so there's something going on up here. Go figure, it's below this thing. Just soaked everything down with some coil, and hopefully these bolts come out without snapping off. There's one missing, so that's good. Probably should be wearing some kind of glasses. That'd be the smart thing to do. So I'll just squint a little harder instead. Plenty more before this falls right into my face. 1, 2. There's a hole here, and I just got like that intrusive thought, like something's gonna just reach out of this thing and get me. That'd make for good content, wouldn't it? Alright, last one. I was saying how I was afraid, like there's this weird, I had a feeling that something was going to come out of there at me. That's a bee's nest. And a AAA battery. I wonder if that's still good. I don't necessarily see anything wrong with it. 25 minutes of pure aggravation. We should see it emerge. Hey! Let's just see if it works. I can cut that too, which is what I plan to do.
You can't be serious, man. You cannot be serious!
I learned that I believe there's supposed to be a return spring on the actual pedal itself, but I realized when I was under there, and you can hear this, it's pretty crunchy. I may not pull the carpet up, but I think I do need to pull the pedal. Anyway, what I was gonna say is that there's a spring right under here. It's supposed to spring it back, and literally nothing there. I haven't even tried the brakes yet. I mean, it feels like there's something there. Ooh, oh my, that's not good. I believe it's supposed to have less than an inch. So maybe like from here to here, and then it's supposed to grab. But no, it doesn't grab until, I assume that's going to be an issue. That pedal's about to come through. But anyway, I got the linkage undone. Let's go back up top and see how we can get that pedal through. There's a speed hole. Oh, there's another speed hole. That's good. We'll just tuck that back there and then it's gone. I don't usually condone what I'm doing, but I mean, look how ate up that is. I'm definitely not the kind of person that would condone ripping something out like that. This is supposed to pivot around this pen right here. The reason it wasn't working is because it's literally frozen solid in there. Look at this. And this is the spring that's supposed to return this pedal to its normal position. What I want to try to do is to free this up. There's no way that I'm gonna get that out easily. I'm hoping I can shock it enough there it is. There, free up. Nice. Come on. Yeah, there was a bush in there. Right there. This goes through still. Nicely. See if I can bend it back. That even go back too. What I'm going to end up doing is putting in a patch right here, and I'll probably only rivet it in because I don't feel like welding it. Ow, ow. This is my favorite rust treatment, Osfo by Skyco. And before you ask, yes, I did do the right thing and painted the back of this. I wouldn't want it to rust. As far as that hole goes, I'm not as concerned with it because that's not the hole that the pedal is on. And if I start getting carried away, then before you know it, I'll be into a restoration. Can't have that. Perfect. Oh, that almost turned into a swinging wheel of certain death. Riveting stuff, I know.
Wonderful. Oh, what do you say? Somewhere in there? Can you look in there? I can't tell. There we go.
Okay, so after all the fiddling, we've gotten that bar, which is still not a lot. I still don't have perfect travel here. I mean, I'm getting spring back. It's working. I was in the middle of putting another little spring right here to return this throttle back to its position, somewhere around in here, because it still doesn't want to come back all the way. And then I happened to look up. I doubt that's what this is for. I mean, maybe. I don't know. But it seems like it could actually work. We'll call that fate or something. I wonder what if that works. Let's see. Whoa. My word.
At last.
I went and routed the fuel line. Got that out of the way. It's nothing really special. The only thing I did that was semi-special is I put some of that fiberglass loom or protected loom on it all the way down there because it does run by the starter and it probably get hot in that area. So just better safe than sorry. The only other thing that I'm thinking of is where I'm going to get the power to turn this on and off. Yeah. Cool, okay, so that would work. I found keyed 12 volts coming off of this. This is a diagnostic port from 1974. And then I just jumped the ground right over there to the strap. Nothing fancy. I did put some fuel in the gas tank and I heard it going in the gas tank. I'm checking, I don't see any leaks so far. In theory, when I hit the key, we'll hear the pump come on and it should start. I guess that's what we're gonna find out. Do we hear the pump? I don't hear a pump. Oh, okay. Well, that quick connect did not work very well. Oh, but it's quiet, so it is getting fuel.